Hi there, I'm Josh and I have my system set up in Arduino for a controlling joystick. Yeah, all right, so as you can see, it all connects up to control the motor here with the joystick itself. All right, and if I hold it like this, when I push the joystick forward, it goes one way. When I pull it backwards, it goes the other direction. Sorry about that. Backwards. Forwards. Backwards. Which works pretty good. Pretty much simple setup using that. Alright, and then I have this over here, which basically sets my ports and, controls some stuff. I attempted to do a dead zone, but it didn't quite work out. Other than that, you name your pins in setup, and then loop the systems for over a certain index, which we mark technically as 0, which I kind of gave it a little bit of range because there's a little bit of gap. Which makes it so that it doesn't just automatically go while it's at 0. I used this as well in order to time it out and make sure we have prints out, which ultimately is not really useful at the moment because I don't have it working properly. Now I do have numbers coming out here that would technically be right, but I have it printed and timed a little bit wrong. Yeah, so that's all set up perfect. Yeah, pretty good one there. Yeah, and that's it for that one.